Uy! Hindi ko nakita yan ah. Diba?
So deep, brother. We are going out building. Alright. This is the bad part. Tough part. Load up. In the elevator, I got the wrong car key. So, oh my god, this is a waste of time, you know. It's sometimes crazy when you have two trucks and you're in a rush. And then you get the wrong key. So I have to go back up. I see the bit. Going back. So going back. I got the keys, the right key. Okay, let's just unlock this one. Okay, so we have to. Oh, we have almost everything here to bring this tent. Tools. I have a cooler there. Is this gasoline? We're gonna fill that maybe. Time to check. Now I have my empty cart with me, and I'm going to my second car right here to get more stuff. Still up. Time check. It's almost 4:45 p.m. This all by carrying jug of water, thermos, mat, and then music box there, and then some food there, and some frozen stuff in there. On this wheel, and I'm going. See you later. So everything is here now. Yes, let's check inside. So all fitted. It's all packed. Okay, good. I'm going now. Let's get inside. Oh my god, it's too hot inside the truck. Oh no, the sun is firing. Oh my god, that's like around 30 degrees. Oh. So let's start the engine. Where is my? This is the problem. So we have so many keys. And alright, we're going. Turn down all the AC. Yeah, we have an AC. Let's make so much noise. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you later. We got this Miller. More choice. Just pick your choice. But I already have the One of I think one of this I have already. Just need this. Good enough. Okay. It's quiet here. I am in Chiliwag already. This is far. I'm in the mountains. So I will be 1 minute away to the to arrive at my destination campsite to meet the newly group founded and new friends. Some woods, trees. I arrive at the campground. This is called the Firewood and Ice. Firewood and Ice? Is it? Oh, yata ang nabutan ko ah. This is the right one? So we just arrived at the destination and we're just checking in, and I see some RVs down there. So nice. It's my first time here. There's a tiny little house there. So we will be going down there. Oh. There's a lake down. It's already recording. We came from the top, going down that downhill. So, additional campgrounds. Behind these campgrounds, I think it's a lake, freshwater. You can go salmon fishing. Fishing rod. Yeah, this is the new group of Apunakay 4x4. Setting up the professional setup.
Professional toothpick. Yeah.
These are the this group is the newly founded group of drinkers. This one too. Oh, 1861, malakas yan. Matagal na. True Canadians are drinkers. Okay. So the founder is missing in action. All the members are here. So this is our site.
Rex will gonna replace the founder.
Mr. Charlie will be the next. He will protest. He will be the founder now.
No.
According to him, he will replace Apo per the Manda ka raw per the.
Saan galing yung lemon? Lemon, piga na
Okay,
yan. Pwede na yan.
already. Everyone is already set. Set na rin kami. Set. We are set. Okay. The group now is preparing their dish.
Di ano yan? Lapit na birthday ko na kan. Lapit na ba?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wanda. We have a karaoke. Flower base. See? Complete.
Okay na.
Yeah.
Okay na.
Oh, wow.
Armado yan.
Wallet. Yeah.
Biglang naluma yung kutsilyo ko dyan ah. Yung kutsilyo ko rin ako eh. Biglang pumangit, ayaw ko na ilabas.
We have a,
Pag malakasan yan.
what do you call this? Mosquito deterrent. Yeah, it's a little bit mosquitoes flying around.
Anong lasa naman yun?
Oh, that is octopus.
Pulot ano, squid.
Wow.
plus this.
Ito ba siya?
You're good.
Yeah, lagyan mo.
You're cooking again. We arrive at the location. Oh my god. Strong current. Strong current, my friend. Be careful. Otherwise, we will find your body in Vancouver. Floating. If you fell off, we will see you in Vancouver. Oh my god. Future founder. Okay, oh my god. Oh, ay, sakto lang yung ano mo, sakto lang. Okay. Cheers. Oh, somebody brought a bus. A trailer. So we didn't get any fish today. I like this bus coming here. Oh, who wants to go to Whistler? We have a bus. President?
President Antetokounmpo.
Antetokounmpo.
Junior Ferdinand.
Junior Ferdinand.
Junior Ferdinand.
What can you say about the founder? Not today.
The best. He's missing in action. Yeah, but the thing is, he's missing action right now. He's MIA.
Do you have any plan to take over the position?
Not for now, because I think the one
No fun.
that over is this guy. He's beside you.
No fun yet, no fun. If there's fun, then we'll take over.
He's a junior, yeah.
Well, we can do deer hunting out there. Coming soon.
Dapat natin may casting or
We're going back to the camp. No fish. Different fish was there.
white fish. White fish.
Oyster. No fish. Oh, look at this ground. So wide. So big. Spacious. We can park more trailers in the camp. But we have also little RVs up. There's some music here.
Yung mga edad na sinasabi
Yes,
mo,
mega
mga babae
music.
na kilala mo is mga 30 to 35 na walang asawa pa. Putang ina. Basta makakapit lang.
Magkaanak lang.
Yayaringin ka. Hindi, ikaw ang yayaringin.
Magandang pang-vlog to ah.
Bullshit, don't say that.
Ano masabi mo doon? Ano yun? Ano?
Trabaho namin talagang marami pa.
Maraming
Ano nga,
Poke bar.
tinatawag
Yan.
yung akyat barko.
Talk boys. Ano yung boss? Ano yung akyat barko? Started the game.
Yes!
And we're already smoking shit right now. And
We're like tinapa.
summertime, we have bonfire.
Walang pala.
There you go. This, we are smoking here.
Diyan na ba tayo o what?
This is we call summer peak fire.
Kuha ko ng phone ko.
Ayan.
Let's bring our chair na lang. I'll bring my chair.
This is the newly found group where the CEO founder is
Yung ginagamit eh.
missing in action.
Dalawang tangki ko na, ubos.
Malakasan yun.
Tatlong araw.
Stop yan.
Dalawang tangki ako.
We don't go off-roading today, but we bring off-road trucks.
Tomorrow, we're gonna go for off-roading.
No off-roading. We are not crawl mauler. We're just campers for now.
Sabi nila kay First, pero yung variation ng legs dyan. It's this week? Yeah.
Morning. This is the second day. Time check. It's a little bit late now. It's 10. Breakfast. Okra. Ito kaming fisherman, wala siyang nakuwang isda kaninang 6 o'clock AM. No salmon. This is what is going on here today. Let's check our friends. Oh, diba? Oh, this is always present. Charging. Looks like it's dead. It's my base. That's what you have today. That's I brought with me. So this is what's going on there. Normal as usual. Oh, this is last night. Our campfire. 2 tanks. Okay. Still there. This is Mr. Charlie setup. May yayamanin. Yeah, Mr. Charlie. Naka-i-camper. Still stock tire. Look at that. Mr. Charlie setup. Alright. Meron siyang kulungan, camouflage na tent pa. Yung set up ni parang Charlie. Alok Mr. Eric set up. Alright. Yan. Ito yung setup ni Mr. Eric, right? Ganda yung setup niya. Meron siyang railings. Cool. That's Eric's setup. Very good. Basic. But one day you will see the 6-inch lift. This is Joseph's. All is stock. All is stock for runner. All is stock. No upgrade. No upgrade. Just bone stock for runner. This bone is set up. Okay. ARB ka? ARB? So light. Oh, he got a nice set of lights here. It's cool. RPT. Fishing rods. That's bonus. Alright, done. So this is my setup as usual. It's very shaded here, so no need to pull my awning. So less work. Basic. This is my basic setup. I have a restroom, my bedroom. That's all I got today. That's all. And you know what? New sticker for my truck. This is our founded group. So to 2 members are coming soon. So I hope you enjoyed our basic setup today. And everyone is in the ground. Okay, see you later, folks. Oh, this is for Mario's truck setup. Look at that nice one.
Kaya ang may babato na.
Kababa.
May ba? Hanggang tumama tayo uting pa.
Okay lang.
Ah.
This is... Oh yeah. Oh, kambal talaga, kambal. Kambal kami. Kaya kambal kami.
Bumper, bumper.
Pati bumper, kambal, oh. Pares kami nga naka-yellow lights. Oh. Up Mario's set up. Oh, look at that. Nice. Forerunner. Third generation, fourth generation. This is my basic setup. Truly not real. Okay. It's a nice one. Ito naman yung setup ni Mr. Ryan. New arrival bracket. So si Ryan talaga, yayamanin si Ryan. Ito yung setup ni Mr. Ryan Carbonell. O meron ba siyang antena? Very good boy. Ang kanyang lift. The complete group members. Finally the founder is arrived. This is the late guy.
Mike.
Press lang.
Online.
Order mo na lang sa North Shore. Yeah, this is our Toyota group. From there, we have all stock for Runner. The boss is setting up now. The CEO brought the whole 1 month.
Oh my God, Princess, dami mo namang dinala. My God.
This is good for 1 month.
1 month.
Staying vacation at the camp.
Oh, yeah, wow.
Da! Ang batan yung tapno amuna tiriga tapno gumatang ti alopab tagriyo. Di pa sa loob.
Oh my God, nagadaw. 1 month ka.
Everything he brought all in the house
Kunti lang.
with the gas, with the speaker, everything. You take all your stuff all in your house, huh? Where's your bed?
Ada!
Did you you take with you the bed as well?
Of course, man.
The twin beds?
Nilakok to amin dito yun tako gumatang ti alopab. Okay na nakidi.
What else do you brought with you? Oh, your favorite ARB seat? Talaga naman, branded ka.
Siyempre. Anda ta no atakas tay kalmo jarabaw.
Alright.
Okay?
The founder, CEO.
CEO.
CEO. of the Apulacay 4x4 BC. But all the members are all on time except the CEO. Everyone is settling here. Leader of the group. All the members are all on time, except the mayor, because he did fully furnished with his truck.
Kinuksilong pa yun to. Imas!
You got the lights.
Banking mo, Joseph.
With a sticker. New tire. New tire. You have You have a Dobinson. Oy. ARB rolling. With a new roof.
Roof nest.
Roof nest.
Made in China.
Made in China. With the TRD emblem. But look at this. You got a new tire with a fuel bedlock rim. Okay, check this out. This is the president's CEO founder of this group. This is his truck with the Dobinson shocks. Oh, yan na. Yeah, that's it. Tingin ka naman dito, Charlie. He's singing song with the players.
Anda ka pipilay niya. Ito. Ito na kayo pilay.
Oh, salmon. Saan galing doon?
Doon nga, kinuha nila dito.
Paano nga? Sino nagbili? Binigay? Binigay nila yung kwan? Kinuha na lang nila yung skin.
They just bought it.
Pero yung binigay nila lahat, ay kinuha lang nila ng iba, no?
Yung meat lang, kinuha nila.
Ang pwedeng sigang yun. So we're going to go for fishing. The fishing group is going towards the lake where the hunters of none. Someone went there. We're heading Are you guys ready to fish a shark? Can I fish at 2 legs? Open wide. Oh my goodness, it's too hot today. It's nice for hunting. That mountain up there. Anywhere, master.
Ayaw may alam dito eh. Saan si Ryan?
Doon tayo sa oyster.
Misbo.
He's not around. So we are heading.
Tangina pa yan.
Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing and sunbathing here. Oh, buddy.
Ito, maganda lang kay Eric oh.
Hey, Tara, ladies and gentlemen, we're here now in the camp, fishing ground. And look at those fishermen.
We are motivated fishermen.
Yeah, look at those fishermen.
But look at the view. Yes. We'll eat salmon later on. Fresh salmon with sushi. And what that green sauce? What do you call that? Wasabi.
Wasabi, wasada.
Wasabi. Do you think we can get something today?
Probably yes, because we have the best fishermen in town.
Oh, very good. Nice to hear. The 2 veterans. Okay, we'll see. We'll find out. Upcoming. Incoming right here. Another fisherman. So everybody is busy right now. So we've been here for half an hour and we didn't catch any fish yet. Maybe Mr. Singh will make it today.
Yeah, I'll try.
Yeah. All right, you got something. Yeah. Show me, show me.
Trout, baby, trout.
Yeah.
Oh, putang ina.
Oh, pupukin nyo sa ano, sa bato.
This is the fish. I got a fish. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a trout fish. This is a trout. All right. Yeah. Look at that fish. Don't fight, right? So this is this is where we are about for today, right? So, let's see the setup of the boss, of the CEO. How's everything here? Ito, may ano po. Tingnan mo naman yun. Airbed pa. Good setup. Oh, may step ladder. This is what's going on in the night. It's like a festival here in the camp.
Wala kang buo.
Another light.
Yes po ba yan eh?
Everyone is having fun
Magdamag na yan.
today. So day 3. So I am heading to Vancouver now. Already almost off in the truck, and we'll having a breakfast before I take off. See, breakfast before going back home. Egg in the morning, as usual. Time check, 8 o'clock a.m.
Gusto ka na makita ng aldawon eh.
Everyone is relaxing. Human generator just woke up. Smoking in the morning before fishing. Maybe it's late now. Always sausage, always there in the morning. Master Chef is making recycled food. Recycled food. All right. Everyone is having their breakfast today. Everybody's busy eating, and some of them will leave the place, the campsite. Some will stay. So this is our adventure camping this year. Ciao. See you next time. Back home to Vancouver.